everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, and this chapter is related to our sun. Chapter is Solar Mission. It says that the sun is a burning ball of hot gases. I assume that you must be knowing this already कि क्या है sun? Sun is a burning ball of hot gases. It is about 150 million kilometers from the earth. To study the sun, ISRO, that means the Indian Space Research Organization, it launched its first solar mission, which was named Aditya L1 from Sriharikota. Now this is the name of the place from where Aditya L1 was launched. Now given below, they have given certain questions to which the answers we have to mark by putting a tick in front of them. So let's begin with the exercise part. The first question given here in the tick the correct answer is, when did Aditya L1 mission launch? And the options for these are 15th August 2023, 9th August 2023 or 2nd September 2023. And the answer for this is 2nd September 2023. The next we have is number 2. Which rocket is the part of Aditya L1 mission? And the options are PSLV C57, GSLV or GSLV MK23. And the options, among the options, the correct answer is PSLV C57. The next we have is question number 3, and it says, in Aditya L1, what does L1 stand for? What is the full form of it? And they are giving you options as large point, Lagrangian point 1 or Lagrangian polar 1. And the correct full form is Lagrangian point 1. That is the B is the answer. Then the fourth question is, what is the full form of PSLV? The options are Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or Pole Space Land Vehicle or Pole Space Launch Vehicle. And the correct full form and the answer is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Then we have the fifth question, and it is, how many scientific payloads does Aditya L1 carry to study the systematic study of the sun? The options are 5, 8 or 7. And the answer for this question is 7. 7 is the correct answer. Now before moving on to the sixth question, let's quickly read the quick fact. And the quick fact says that in 1969, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai founded ISRO. ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, and he is also considered the father of the Indian space program. So this was all about the quick fact. Let's now move to the sixth question. The sixth question is, which is not the remote sensing payload? And the options are VELC, SUIT or Mercury. And the answer is, they are saying which is not the remote sensing payload. So Mercury is not the remote sensing payload. So this is the answer. Then the seventh question, what is the objective of the Aditya L1 mission? And its objective is to study the sun, to study the stars or to study the moon. So among these three, the correct answer is to study the sun. Then next we have 8, that is the last question. Who is the director of the Aditya L1 mission? The options are Ritu Kadidhal, Nigar Shahji or K. Sivan? And the answer is Nigar Shahji. The correct answer is B. Then there is another your answer please for the kids. The question is, have you ever seen the live telecast of any satellite? So you have to answer this question and write the answer for the same. So I hope you have gathered a vast knowledge about the solar mission. This was all about the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.